Question and answer solution of previous year mechanical engineering. Paper code PCME 301. Thermodynamics. Derive an expression for displacement work in a process where P1 equal to constant. Answer. Consider the general equation for the process. PV equal torque, where P is pressure, 5 is volume, and N is the polytropic index, constant. To find the displacement work, we need to integrate the work done during a change in volume in this process. The displacement work, W, is given by V equal to 1v2 PdVBr. From the equation PV equal TOC, we can solve for pressure. P equal to NCBRS. Substitute this into the work equation. V equal to 1v2 VNC dVBr. The integral of V nice VNC dV equal to 1 NC V1 NBR. So, the work done during the process becomes V equal to 1 NC V21 NV 11 NBR sin. E equal to 11 equal to 22. We can express the work as V equal to 1 NP1 V1 NV 21 NV 11 NBR 2. What is a pure substance? What is saturation temperature and saturation pressure? Answer. Pure substance. A pure substance is a material that has a uniform and consistent chemical composition throughout. It can exist in one or more phases, solid, liquid, or gas, under certain conditions. Examples of pure substances include water, nitrogen, and oxygen. Saturation temperature. The saturation temperature is the temperature at which a substance changes its phase at a given pressure. For instance, at a certain pressure, water will boil at the saturation temperature, and steam will condense back into water at the same temperature. Saturation pressure. The saturation pressure is the pressure at which a substance changes phase at a given temperature. At the saturation temperature, the corresponding pressure at which the substance is in equilibrium between phases, liquid and vapor, is called the saturation pressure. 3. Discuss briefly about the concept of thermodynamic equilibrium and its importance in engineering thermodynamics. Answer. Thermodynamic equilibrium. A system is in thermodynamic equilibrium when its macroscopic properties, such as temperature, pressure, and volume, do not change with time, and the system's internal processes are balanced. Thermodynamic equilibrium consists of mechanical equilibrium, no changes in pressure across the system; thermal equilibrium, no temperature gradients within the system; chemical equilibrium, the composition of the system does not change with time. Importance in engineering thermodynamics. In engineering thermodynamics, thermodynamic equilibrium is crucial for analyzing and designing systems such as engines, refrigerators, and heat exchangers. It allows engineers to calculate and predict the behavior of systems, ensuring that the design operates at optimal conditions. The concept helps simplify complex processes by assuming that systems operate close to equilibrium during cycles or steady-state conditions. 4. What is a perpetual motion machine of the first kind, PMM1? Is it possible to manufacture a device based on PMM1? If not, explain why. Answer. Perpetual motion machine of the first kind, PMM1. A PMM1 is a hypothetical machine that produces work without any input of energy, effectively violating the first law of thermodynamics, the law of energy conservation. Such a machine would continuously operate by extracting energy from its surroundings without any loss, which is not possible in reality. Is it possible to manufacture a device based on PMM1? No, it is not possible to manufacture a device based on PMM1. This is because it violates the fundamental principle of energy conservation. In all real-world systems, energy must be supplied to perform work, and no machine can generate more energy than it consumes. 5. Explain why the efficiency of the Rankine cycle is a function of the mean temperature of heat addition. Answer. Rankine cycle efficiency. The efficiency of the Rankine cycle is given by A equal token W net equal tun thai tlo, where tlo is the temperature of the low-temperature reservoir, condenser, and thai is the temperature of the high-temperature reservoir, boiler.